Ghost ants are common ants found throughout the US. They can infest indoors or outdoors and are related to odorous house ants, meaning they'll also produce a foul smell when crushed. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and treat ghost ants in and around your property so you can maintain a clean environment. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about ant control, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Ghost ants are relatively easy to identify thanks to their small size and unique body coloration. Ghost ant workers grow to about 1.5 millimeters in length. The head and thorax of a worker ghost ant are dark brown or black in color, while the abdomen and all appendages are translucent or creamy white. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Ghost ants are known to establish large colonies in moist areas outdoors and indoors. Outdoors, you can find colonies in soil, dead wood, or piles of leaves and other plant litter. Indoors, colonies can infest cracks, crevices, and wall voids, flower pots, cabinets, baseboards, and behind tiles. They may also infest small containers like cardboard boxes or appliances. Indoor foraging can take place in any room, but most foraging activity can be observed in the kitchen. When ghost ant activity is spotted, follow the trails to find nest locations or entry points. Take care not to crush any ants to avoid colony budding and their foul odors. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Ghost ant control starts with cleaning up indoors. Seal loose foods like cereal, flour, and pet food in airtight containers. Regularly take out the trash, wipe down the countertops, and mop or vacuum the floors. It's important to get rid of any crumbs and food residue to get rid of any food sources that can attract ghost ants to your home. Once you've cleaned indoors, you can start chemical treatment. In addition to foraged foods, ghost ants also feed on dead or alive insects and honeydew produced by aphids or scales. For this reason, we recommend you start treatment with a broad control insecticide like Supreme IT. Supreme IT is made with 7.9% bifenthrin and will treat many pests, including the ants themselves as well as the insects that serve as their food sources. Mix and apply this product at a rate of 0.5 fluid ounces of product in 1 gallon of water to treat 1,000 square feet. With your solution, drench any colonies you've found outside, then conduct a barrier treatment by spraying along your home's outer perimeter by spraying 3 feet up the wall and 3 feet out. Be sure to also spray pest entry points like doors, windows, and eaves. Next, conduct a broadcast treatment over your lawn and spray any ornamental plants or shrubbery. Be sure to coat the upper surface and underneath the leaves. Ants, as well as the insects that serve as their food sources, will die in several hours after being exposed to Supreme IT or its residual effects. Once you've sprayed outdoors, you can treat indoor ant colonies by laying an ant bait like Ant-Trax. Ant-Trax mimics foraged food and contains attractants, encouraging ants to spread the product throughout their nests. Ant-Trax Ant Bait is made with 0.01% imidacloprid. Apply pea-sized drops on countertops, near window frames, in cracks and crevices, and near baseboards where you've seen ghost ant activity. You'll also set bait near where you've seen ants emerge from their colonies. Space placements 1 foot apart and allow 7 to 10 days for the ants to consume the material and die out. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. Ghost ants are vulnerable to desiccation, or being dried out, so the first step to preventing ghost ants is to address any moisture issues such as plumbing leaks or dampness. Fix leaky pipes or faulty air conditioning inside of your home. Next, be sure to maintain a regular cleaning schedule. Continue to reduce food sources, vacuum or sweep often, and wipe sinks dry after use. Finally, keep up with quarterly applications of Supreme IT. Supreme IT will protect your property from ants and insects that serve as their food sources. When applied properly, this product leaves behind a residual that lasts up to 90 days under normal weather conditions. Make reapplications every 3 months to ensure protection year-round. Ghost ants can infest homes and establish large colonies, but there are ways to manage and control any pest infestation. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop ghost ants from invading your home, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.